The role of a certified business analyst in digital transformation in today's fast-paced digital world. Organizations must thrive by adapting to digital change. A certified business analyst, CBA, is key to this effort. Their skill in analyzing business processes is vital. It is key to successful transformation strategies. This article explores the key role of CBAs in digital transformation. Understanding digital transformation. Digital transformation involves integrating digital technology into every aspect of a business. It changes how the business operates and delivers value to customers. Key skills of a certified business analyst. Analytical skills. The ability to analyze data is critical. It helps find opportunities and challenges. Communication skills. CBAs must bridge the gap between stakeholders. They must ensure clear and effective communication of requirements and solutions. Role in stakeholder engagement. Stakeholder analysis. Assess and evaluate the interests and influence of stakeholders. This will aid decision-making. Change management. Support stakeholders in adapting to changes. Use training and ongoing communication to reduce resistance and boost acceptance. Facilitating data-driven decision-making. Data analysis. Analyzing data to find trends and areas for improvement. Performance metrics. Set KPIs to measure the success of transformation initiatives. Use them to inform future strategies. Ensuring continuous improvement. Digital transformation is a continuous journey rather than a single event. CBAs contribute to this journey by feedback loops. Set up ways for stakeholders to give continuous feedback. Use them to adapt and improve processes and strategies. Agile methodologies. They promote agile practices. They help organizations respond to changing markets and customer needs with speed. Conclusion. In conclusion, a certified business analyst plays a key role in digital transformation. Their contributions are vital to a company's success. CBAs use their skills to help organizations navigate digital change. They analyze and engage stakeholders. They focus on data-driven decisions. In the digital era, businesses are evolving. The expertise of CBAs will be critical. They will shape strategies to drive growth and improve customer experiences.